Namhlanje inkundla ephakamileyo yaseGauteng echophe eGoli imamele ityala elimalunga nombutho ochasene nabemi bakumazwe angaphandle abangekho mthethweni iOperation Dudula. Okuzemva kokuba imibutho emine iKopanang Africa Against Xenophobia, iSouth African Informal Traders Forum, i-Inner City Federation kunye ne-abahlali basemjondolo imangalele iOperation Dudula ngezityholo zokurhogrisa, ukungcungcuthekisa kunye nokuxhaphaza abantu bangaphandle. Ethetha negqiza leendaba zeSoweto TV, umongameli we-Operation Dudula uZandile Dabula ubethelela ukuba lo mbutho awugungqi kwidabi lokulwa nokungena kwabantu eMzantsi Afrika ngongekho mthethweni.
Izinhlangano zomphakathi zitshela inkantolo enkulu yaseGoli ukuthi kunesidingo sokuthi kucace ngokomthetho mayelana nesigaba sama-41 somthetho wokufuduka ezithi sisetshenziswe i-Operation Dudula ukubopha nokuvalela izingane eziphuma kwamanye amazwe ngokungemthetho.
The foreign nationals have opened a case against us that we are intimidating them, and there is no such. We're going to continue doing what's right for the citizens of this country. We will not back off. They're saying we should stop harassing them. They're blaming the SAPS for accompanying us in some of our operations and the Home Affairs to be with us in some of the operations. And all we are saying is that we don't want lawlessness. We want this country to be a lawfully country rather than just being a lawlessness.
Lokhu kuyingxenye B yecala elibhekene ne-Operation Dudula eliqhubeke enkantolo namhlanje eliqalwe osukwini layizolo njengoba lezi zinhlangano ziphinde zisola amaphoyisa ngokuvumela ukusebenza kweqembu zithi umbuso awudlala indima yawo.
We've been putting a push to these departments, SAPS, Home Affairs, to say that they need to be doing their job. I mean, every time when we do these raids, we hand them over to the SAPS to check their documents. We don't physically do that because we know that we are not officials that are supposed to be doing that. But it's an unfortunate event that we are here today and we are being sent to court by the aliens that are here in this country illegally. So if we can bring Home Affairs in that court, I'm sure that court will be empty because I bet you most of them are illegal here. And I mean, they're fighting for spaces. Some of them are inner city informal traders. That space needs to be reserved for South Africans.
UZandile uthi abanalo noluncane uvalo uthi bazoqhubeka nokulwela amalungelo abantu nokulwisana nabo kufika kuleli abahlala kwela kuleli ngokungemthetho. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseJohannesburg.